Did you know that the humidity level in your home can significantly impact your comfort, health, and even your home's integrity? As dry air creeps in, it can lead to a host of issues, from dry skin and respiratory problems to cracking woodwork and static electricity. In this video, we'll explore the best whole house humidifiers that can transform your living space into a cozy oasis. Join us as we uncover solutions that enhance your well-being and protect your home. Your comfort starts here. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Lacidoll Whole House Humidifier, the best whole house humidifier for small homes. Say goodbye to dry air with the Lacidoll Whole House Humidifier, perfectly designed for small homes. This humidifier effortlessly addresses arid conditions in spaces up to 2,000 square feet. One standout feature is its impressive 5.5-gallon water tank. It's removable for easy cleaning, yet you can refill it without taking it out thanks to the top fill function. This simple design makes maintenance a breeze. Enjoy smooth control over mist diffusion levels and fan speeds through the front touch panel or the included remote control. This flexibility allows you to tailor the humidity to your preference, enhancing comfort at home. Portability shines through with integrated wheels. Moving the humidifier from room to room becomes quick and hassle-free. Dual 360-degree misting nozzles provide adjustable output, ensuring every corner of your home feels fresh and inviting. Although it can run up to 48 hours on a full tank, it's designed mainly for smaller houses. Larger homes may require additional units for optimal results, but that's a minor detail when considering its reliable performance for cozy spaces. What I love most is how effortlessly it blends functionality with comfort. This humidifier truly enhances your living environment, making it feel inviting and pleasant. If you're seeking a reliable humidification solution that fits smaller spaces, you can't go wrong with this model. At number 4, we have Levoit Superior 6000S Smart Evaporative Humidifier, the best smart whole house humidifier. Experience a new level of comfort with the Levoit Superior 6000S Smart Evaporative Humidifier. This model excels in large spaces, effectively managing humidity in homes up to 3,000 square feet. I tested it in my spacious dining area and noticed significantly less dust accumulation during dry winter months. Smart home features make this humidifier stand out. With Alexa compatibility, you can effortlessly use voice commands to adjust settings. The accompanying app provides easy remote monitoring, letting you customize humidity levels based on occupancy. Portability is another highlight. Built-in casters allow you to roll it effortlessly between rooms, a must for larger setups. I frequently moved it to the living room during colder months, finding it much easier than lifting a heavier unit. While this humidifier achieves a maximum humidity of 71% in testing, it still creates a comfortable environment. Some users may miss alerts for low water or filter changes. However, staying attentive to the water level isn't overly demanding, especially with a simple refill routine. I appreciate the sleek design, which easily complements any decor without being intrusive. Its ease of cleaning, requiring only a quick rinse and wipe, is a definite plus. The Levoit Superior 6000S offers impressive performance with great smart features, making it the best smart whole house humidifier available. Dive into further details and discover how it can transform your home's air quality. Still searching for the perfect whole house humidifier? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have AIRCARE Digital Whole House Pedestal-Style Evaporative Humidifier, the best compact whole house humidifier. Searching for the best compact whole house humidifier? Try the AirCare Digital Whole House Pedestal-Style Evaporative Humidifier. This unit impressively offers 9 fan speeds, giving you maximum control over your home's humidity levels. Its pedestal-style design features an 18-inch square footprint, fitting in tight spaces effortlessly. You can place it in a corner or use it as a stylish side table. Customization shines with the option to swap out the decorative top for any 12 by 12-inch tile, letting you integrate it into your existing decor seamlessly. A bright green digital readout displays the current humidity, desired level, and selected fan speed, ensuring you stay informed. One feature I admire is its auto shutoff mechanism, which powers down the unit when the water tank is empty. This adds peace of mind, especially when busy. In comparison to similar models, this humidifier stands out for its versatility and design. While fan noise is noticeable on higher speeds, adjusting it to lower settings quiets things down without sacrificing performance, making it easy to enjoy without distractions. What I love most about this humidifier is the balance of functionality and style. It doesn't just do the job, it enhances your space. For those seeking an efficient way to maintain humidity and improve air quality, this model is an excellent choice. At number 2, we have Vornado Evap40 Evaporative Humidifier, the best value whole house humidifier. Breathe easier with the Vornado Evap40 Evaporative Humidifier. This powerful unit stands out as the best value whole house humidifier for good reason. It effectively covers spaces up to 1,000 square feet, making it ideal for apartments and smaller homes. With a robust 15-liter capacity, this model delivers impressive moisture output. You won't have to constantly refill the water tank. Controls are super intuitive, featuring easy-to-adjust knobs for fan speed and humidity levels. You'll find it simple to customize your comfort, enhancing your overall indoor air quality. Cleaning can often be a hassle, but not with the Vornado Evap40. Its design makes it easy to maintain, an essential feature that not all console humidifiers offer. With less time spent on upkeep, you can focus on enjoying fresher air. A couple of minor quirks exist. Some users may find the water tanks tricky to grasp and remove, requiring a bit more effort. Also, occasional gurgling sounds might disturb light sleepers. However, these aspects don't overshadow the device's overall stellar performance. What truly shines is its efficiency and user-friendly design. You'll appreciate not needing professional installation or costly service calls down the line. For anyone in search of an effective and affordable solution for maintaining optimal humidity levels, this humidifier is an excellent choice. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have AprilAire 500 Whole House Humidifier, the best whole house humidifier overall. Experience whole house comfort like never before with the AprilAire 500 Whole House Humidifier. Designed for homes dealing with dry air issues, this unit fits seamlessly into your existing HVAC system. One standout feature is its compact, slim square design. It won't clutter your space or clash with your decor. Its off-white color helps it blend in perfectly with other appliances. You'll hardly notice it's there. Users appreciate the easy-to-use electronic control, allowing you to set your ideal humidity level effortlessly. The bold digital screen makes checking settings a breeze. Want to ensure optimal performance? This humidifier supports spaces up to 3,600 square feet, providing ample coverage for most homes. An impressive feature is its capacity to use up to 12 gallons of water daily. This means you can enjoy consistent humidity levels without frequent refills. Built-in sensors automatically adjust to changes in outdoor temperatures and indoor humidity, ensuring balanced air quality year-round. While a DIY installation might work for some, professional setup ensures everything runs smoothly. This added step guarantees you won't face problems later on, ensuring longevity. What I love most about this humidifier is how it enhances comfort without drawing attention. You'll notice improved air quality, making your home a pleasant space to live in. A minor consideration is that this model isn't portable. It's designed for permanent installation. This focus keeps your air quality balanced and eliminates the hassle of moving a unit around. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best whole house humidifiers. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which whole house humidifier you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.